channel and welcome back to another vlog. In today's video, we're gonna be talking all about finding your home decor style. I feel like this can be a difficult one. For some, myself included in the beginning, I liked so many different things that it was hard to really narrow down like, okay, what is my design style? And in today's video, we're really gonna focus on that. I also wanna thank today's sponsor, Nordstrom, which is really exciting. I'm gonna be talking all about their styling services that they offer, which I feel like is the perfect collaboration for this video because not only do we want our home to be Pinterest worthy, but we also want our wardrobe to be on point as well. So we're gonna be focusing in on fashion style, your personal style, how a stylist can help you out in today's video. You all know by now the obsession is real for me as far as decorating my home, styling literally every corner of my house, but it's just as important for me to find my personal fashion style. And I'm just so glad that the stylist over at Nordstrom can help me and make that process so much easier. You guys, they have 3 different styling services that I want to talk about. The first one being Browse Looks. Kind of think of this as the Instagram page on Nordstrom. You literally just scroll through, you find looks that you're interested in, and you can literally purchase from the stylized looks that's on this page. The second service is Messaging a Stylist. So this is awesome too because maybe you find something on the Nordstrom website that you like, a pair of jeans, whatever it is, but you're not quite sure how to style it. You just know you like this one piece of clothing. Messaging a stylist is perfect because you can ask them questions. They're literally professionals there at your fingertips that you can just click a button, message with them, ask them questions. They can help you out. Maybe you have an event to go to, or maybe not. Maybe you're just working from home like me, but you still want to be chic and cute. This is a great option. And let's say you want to take it a step further. They have a third styling service, which is meeting with a virtual stylist. You guys, this is probably my favorite one. I met with a virtual stylist, and usually you would think that something like this is only for special occasions or something very fancy, but I'm telling you guys, it's easy. I met with her. She was amazing. We had so much fun picking out the outfits, figuring out what my style was, what I would feel comfortable in, maybe trying new trends. And I love that I was able to work with her, step outside my comfort zone, but still feel like me. She picked out outfits that really spoke to me and my personal style. I have some date night outfits, some work from home outfits that are very chic, cute, and trendy. And I was able to try brands that I normally would not, or maybe I just didn't even know about. She introduced me to so many different clothing pieces, brands, and I just felt really special even picking out clothes that I was gonna be working from home in. It was just such a special experience, but something that anyone could use and anyone can benefit from. My stylist did an excellent job of picking out outfits for me that were a good mix of stylish but comfortable and practical for everyday wear, but also adding pieces in the box that were a little bit more dressy for going out looks. I've officially found my new favorite pair of jeans. I'm so glad that these jeans were selected for me. They are super comfortable, which is perfect for me because I'm working from home, but I still want to be cute and chic, like I said. So these jeans are so comfy. I have a matching set that's very tonal, which is awesome because you all know my color scheme is very neutral. So everything really fits me and my lifestyle. It's comfortable, it's cute, and I'm so here for it. I feel like me, but like elevated now. So yeah, you guys, I will have everything listed down below. Now that we have covered our personal fashion style, if you want to hear my ideas, tips, and tricks on how to narrow down your home decor style, then please just keep on watching. So my first tip for you is to find what speaks to you. I feel like I say this in most of my videos, but you have to find what speaks to your heart and what you love the most. So a great place to start is either Pinterest or even Instagram. You can find different home accounts and save it on Instagram. You can go on Pinterest and obviously like repin and save home decor inspiration, but taking that a step further, and I feel like a lot of us kind of forget this, especially if you're on Pinterest all the time, go back on that board that you created and scroll through and look and see the commonalities between commonality? Yeah, that's a word, right? That's a word. Between the different home decor styles and pictures that you have saved on your board. And that's gonna really help you figure out like, wow, I'm saving a lot of images with pattern pillows. That really speaks to me in my home decor style, and I wanna incorporate in the different rooms in my house. Or maybe you're saving a lot of rooms that have very, very dark, moody decor and walls and curtains, and it's very moody and romantic. Maybe that speaks to you. So really narrowing down visually what catches your eye and what you're drawn to the most. Okay, so now that you have narrowed down what really catches your eye, what furniture you gravitate towards, what type of decor that really catches your eye, the next thing now is to narrow down, okay, what 3 common colors speak to me, that feed your soul, that make your heart sing. Whatever those 3 favorite colors are, those are the colors that you're gonna try to incorporate in the different rooms in your house. You know, maybe like a chocolate brown, a gray, and then a cream. So you have maybe like your chocolate and cream pillows, but then you have like a gray piece of furniture, like a coffee table, and then throughout the next room, you incorporate those 3 colors, but in a different way. There's so many directions where you could take these 3 colors, but I think if you just kind of narrow down 3 and just weave them through your home, it gives it more of a cohesive, effortless look. Maybe you have those colors sprinkled in the curtains a little bit in like a pattern. Maybe you have a floral arrangement. You can really get creative and kind of weave these 3 colors, but I think when you start incorporating more than that, or at least maybe more that aren't in that same color family, not variants of those 3 colors, it starts to look a little bit more like chaotic. It doesn't really make sense between rooms. So narrowing down and sticking with 3 is a really good way to get your home to match and look cohesive. Okay, another tip when trying to find your home design style is to really keep trends to a minimal. Trends are called trends for a reason. They're not pieces of furniture that are very long lasting. They're not timeless pieces. I mean, they're trends, they're fleeting. They're hot one season and then they're not the other. So I would incorporate trends very minimally, and that's gonna save you money too. The last thing you wanna do is, I'm trying to think, what's a trend right now? Rattan. Rattan is a huge trend. Rattan is everywhere. You can get rattan baskets, furniture pieces. I mean, it's like we're going rattan crazy, but I would suggest kind of getting like maybe like a small little rattan tray that you can put on a coffee table instead of actually getting a bookcase that is completely rattan and it's very trendy. Yes, it's very cute and like stylish for the now, but later down the road, you might regret buying something like that. So while you're trying to still find your design style, incorporate those trends very minimally. That way you don't have a whole trendy room and then you regret it next season. Okay, so now that you have all your inspiration, you're narrowing down your 3 colors, you have a good idea of what your design style is, I think it's also really, really fun and it kind of gives the room character if you add another design style in there as well. So maybe your heart is set on industrial. You love that style, you love the darker colors. Maybe you even have like a light fixture that's very industrial, your curtain rod kind of looks like an exposed pipe. It's very moody. It's all the things that you love. I really think that it could bring the room a little bit more character if you incorporate a secondary design style to sort of complement the one that you love. So for industrial, if that's your style, maybe incorporate a few vintage pieces within your home. I feel like that really complements that design style. You could get, you know, vintage artwork, maybe a vintage style pillow to kind of go in that space. And I think that would give it a cool look, a more lived in look, give it a little bit more personality. I wanna say every design style, you can always pull from another one and kind of sprinkle it in. So for me, I know my home decor style is very, I would say it's pretty modern. Some of the stuff is very traditional as well. I like to say it's modern contemporary, but again, I'm not like too picky about the terms. I mean, I just kind of like what I like, and sometimes I like things that aren't that style, but I get it anyway. So again, those are two different design styles. You have your modern and you have your contemporary, but they just kind of flow and mesh together, and that's really where you develop your own personal style. So as much as we want our home to look like it just came off of Pinterest, it's the exact design style, sure, but you want to add in some personality as well and make it feel like you. And I don't think there's one person out there that's just one style all the way. I think we all can pull different things and like, you know, a couple of pieces from this style, but then, oh, I can appreciate a couple of pieces from this style as well. So I think that really makes a home come to life, and that's a great idea to add into your home. And I kind of touched on tip number 5 as well. Make it your own, make it fun. Again, like I said in the beginning, whatever speaks to your heart, go with it. If you're in love with it, that's all that matters. Put it up in your house, enjoy it, have fun with it. Don't take it too serious, because really your home should be your happy place. So yeah, you guys, I really hope you all enjoyed today's video. Make sure you check out Nordstrom in the description box and check out their different styling services. You guys, they're key. I'm telling you, it's easy, it's fun. They're perfect for like even just like the everyday style like mine. I wasn't going anywhere like super fancy, but I still wanted to be cute, and the Stylist killed it. And yeah, you guys, so if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification so you never miss an upload. And all of the different home decor styles, we will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.